Page 48. This is harmonization number 2 at the top of the page. Same procedure we just did. This is a different key, different melody. This has one chart, so we figure it's either in G major or E minor. If we look at the end, we're ending on G's. Well, that note is in both chords, but I'm guessing this is in G major. It's going to end on this. If you listen to the melody, it's kind of bright. It's kind of a happy, whatever, probably G major. So first the melody, 4/4 time. 1 and 2. Thumb, reach down, and then do it again. Now on measure 5, I use thumb first, and then 3, because I've got 2 B's. And thumb, thumb. That's how I would do this. I would not go from measure 4 to measure 5 with third finger. You don't need to do that. Just thumb and then 3. Now the chords, what are they? Well, rather than chord numbers, they're giving us names. Okay, a G chord somewhere, I don't know where it's at. And then we want a D7 chord, which is here, D chord with a 7th, but they want the F sharp on the bottom, so we got to put that on top. Probably don't need all the notes, but it doesn't hurt, so okay. And you got 2 measures of that, and then a G chord. And then measure 5, still a G chord, and then that D7 first inversion, and then here. Now we get a D7 in root position, G. So really only 2 chords. It's the G and the D7. Sometimes, or most of the time, the D7's in first inversion, until the last time it's root. So they want the bottom note of each one. So the D, you're here, and then they want the F sharp, 2 measures of the G. And that's it until you get to the end, the D7. Now they want root, so now you got to do the D, G. And we do it with the melody and see what we get. It says. G, G again, D, F sharp now, G, now root position, so it's a D, G. That's what just doing one note does. Then I have the full chord here. Now, generally speaking, in this position, we wouldn't use all 4 notes. We would leave the A out. Just use these. You don't have to use all the notes in the chord. Generally, that's what we would do. We go from 1 to a 5/7. That's how we would do it. And that's what I'm going to do. You do whatever your teacher says. But that's. And then G. 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 Now 5. Now you can use all 4 if you want, because they're spread out a little more. Well, that was fun and all that wonderful stuff. And then after another glass of wine, then we try the F major. They want us to transpose this from G major down 1 step to F major. Well, we're going the other way. Now, remember, F major's got 1 flat, all the B flats. So in the music, I'm going to take every note down 1. Instead of a B, I'm playing an A. And when I get to B's, I'm going to play B flats, and I'm going to play F natural. So it's here. I have to adjust the fingering because of the black key, but you'll figure that out. Just work a fingering, that lets you connect the notes, is all. Here. And then here, A. B flat, G, F. So I just took the whole melody down 1 note in the music and played in the new key. Played in F major instead of G major. Now the chords. Well, again, you can take the letter names down 1 letter and do it that way. So instead of a G, I do an F chord. And instead of a D, I'll do a C, because I'm going down 1. C7. To the back to the F chord, And those are the two chords we're using. Here would be the F and the C7. Although again, with the inversion, I'm just going to do that for the C7. It's in the next to the last measure when it's in root position. Then I come down to this C7 here. That's all it is. And then here we got here. And then again, back to the F chord. F again. Now again. It's an F, then it's root position, C. It's just fun and games, ain't it? But that's basically what it is. The more you do it, the more comfortable you get with these chords and these inversions, it becomes almost second nature. It's not second nature to me because I don't do it very much. I've never been into improvising or transposing and all that. I just read the notes. Give me the notes. I'm good enough. But here they want you to explore a little bit.